The World Health Organization declares a global health emergency over the Zika outbreak. WHO Chief Margaret Chan says it's a public health threat to other parts of the world. Health experts predict up to 4 million Zika cases this year alone. The mosquito-borne infection is linked to serious birth defects and Guillain-Barré syndrome. Babies born to Zika-infected mothers have microcephaly or underdeveloped brains. Cases of microcephaly skyrocketed in Brazil from around 200 to 4,000 recorded infections. Colombia reports more than 20,000 Zika cases, while Panama registers 50.